Yo, what's going on, guys? Um, this is my first ever trade recap. I want to start doing these more for myself, just so I can know what I did wrong and I can relook at my trades. Maybe this will help you guys if you ever start trading. Um, yeah. So today I ended up losing, but I was right in the way I wanted price to go. I just entered wrong. Um. This has been happening to me a lot lately, but I think I'm getting more right. The execution, I was a little off trading, but I'm back on it. But yeah, I'm more happy that I got the price right. I'm starting to trade more emotionless in a sense, where I'm not really caring, not caring, but like obviously I want to win, but it's like I'm not as affected from the trade. So I'm trying to win still, but even though I didn't win, it didn't affect me throughout the day. I'm just more motivated to win now because I know I could do it and I know I was right. And I just lost because of a stupid mistake being a stop loss, and that's fine. It happens to all of us. And yeah, let's get straight into the trade and see how it goes. I bet that should be good enough. So we trade US. I start trading US 30 now. Um, I don't really do uh SPX or Nasdaq, mostly because Nasdaq, like, look at this mesh, like this. This is just all terrible consolidation from like 2 months. So yeah. And Nasdaq, not Nasdaq, S&P, which has been a little wonky up here, so I didn't know. Just haven't been trading, but US 30, we've been a little bit more smoother in our transactions. As you can see, at least we're pushing up, down into the fair value gap, up again, and then we finally broke structure back down. So, um, yeah, we took a trade. As you see, my daily buys was more bearish because of the fact we're on a downtrend. We just broke structure here. Um, shoot, we just broke structure here. Oh, move really here. We just broke structure here. So I'm starting to look for more of a bearish trend. We went into the 4 hour, and as you can see, we're even more bearish. We're stuck in this kind of fair value gap in the 4 hour. So I knew we weren't looking for any longs, just straight shorts today, especially in this hourly fair value gap that we were in, even though we broke it. Price was kind of just consolidating a bit, but I was looking for longs just because of the fact we are sweeping this out. We were sweeping this area of liquidity out a lot. So I thought we were gonna go longs, but I knew later throughout the trade that I was looking more for shorts. I switched. My daily bias was still gonna be shorts, even though we were looking on longs. On the 15 minute, we had a lot of longs, but as you can see, the market opened. Um, no, market opened here. Market opened, and we pushed up. We came to these 15-minute highs, and that's when I was like, okay, depending how we look at these 15-minute highs is how I'm gonna want to enter this trade. Obviously, I had my 15-minute for value gap here. I thought we were gonna come back down into here and then push up again, but we ended up breaking this 15-minute. So then I was looking more for an entry. I now started trading on more the 5 minute and 15-minute signals. I don't really look too much in the 1 minute's more for an entry if I'm really looking for it, but if I'm looking for my confluences, I'm looking more for the 5 minute. So I had this 5 minute for value gap, and this 15-minute for the bullish was gone, and then I had this one. So I wanted price to come into one of these two. Obviously, price came back here in the 5 minute later on today, but um, while I was trading, once I seen we were just over here, we swept this liquidity and we were pushing down. I was looking for a retracement on the 5 minute, and I saw a retracement here in the 5 minute, so I went down into the 1 minute, and in the 1 minute, I was clearly able to see the 1 minute fair value gap that's in here too that we retraced with it. So with that, I was then looking just for a 5 minute breaker structure. And with the 5 minute breaker structure, I was able to see it on this breaker, this this one right here. Let me put it short. This one right here, but I was still not too confident, just because of the fact I just been losing, so I just wasn't confident in it, so I wanted a little bit more confirmation. So with this candle, I had a little bit more confirmation, but I ended up entering off the 1 minute, off that 5 minute breaker structure, off this 5 minute breaker structure. So I wanted a 1 minute breaker structure, um, and I ended up getting it with this one right here, of this 5 minute right here, of this 1 minute right here. So I got the breaker structure, and I have my stop loss on 40 pips around there. It's like around like here. Like this would be my stop loss around 40 pips. Because that's what I just have it as. I don't have it too high or too low because I don't want my take profit to be too far. So I thought 40 pips was good. As you can see, we come on, we get stopped out, and I think that's because of the fact that I didn't see there was this 5 minute fair value gap. So I should have had my TP a little bit more above. Like if I had my TP like here, like 43, we would have won this trade. But the fact that I kept it at 40, we ended up getting stopped out before then the move down. So I was right in the sense that price was gonna continue down. I just didn't look for this 5 minute fair value gap. I thought after this move, after this fill, we were gonna go down, but I just didn't see the other one, causing me to get stopped out. If I just moved my stop loss a little bit higher, I would have done it. And it was just unfortunate we got stopped out. But as you can see, we were clearly right. The only take profit I would have had would have been here. And I think this was yeah, like a 15-minute low. Like a 15-minute low. This is where everywhere was coming. So I was just looking for it there. Um, Take profit would have been this. Um, Another take profit I could have gone for was like one of these lows. Probably like this low, I'd say. See if we come back into here. Or if I'm trying just to do more one take profit. I feel like this would have been a little ambitious. Even though if we look at the 1 minute, it would have hit. These would have hit, but then again, I don't want to wait till basically 12:30ish or 11:30ish to hit my take profit. But even though it was my initial take profit of 1-to-1, we did get stopped out. But let's say we even did this, it was a 1 to 1.5. We were right, and where price is going to continue going down. We just got unlucky in the fact that I didn't move my stop loss. So even though it was a loss, I'm gonna count this as a win because of the fact I was end up correcting price action, and where price action was gonna continue going, I just got it wrong in my stop loss. So that's just a silly mistake for me. We ended up losing 1% for our 200K funded. We're currently down like 5%, so we're down. We need one more trade and we're out, or we yeah. But I feel more confident in my trading now. I think I'm gonna continue to do this, see how it goes, and yeah. Overall, it's a loss, but it's not a bad trade. We knew price was going. We had our confluences, and yeah, I can't. Not much else to say, but besides that, it's your day. Sometimes it's not your day, but we just keep going and we just keep going at it. Um, Make my screen big. But yeah, that's my trade for today, guys. Hopefully we come back tomorrow. We got a trade tomorrow too, because news is good tomorrow. Let me just double check. Uh, yeah, not really much news. Just unemployment claims at 8:30. That's about it. And then some news at 10. But yeah, we got like no news tomorrow. I mean, not much news tomorrow, so we just gotta wait. And yeah, we just see how it goes tomorrow, and we catch another dub and well, an actual dub. We catch an actual dub tomorrow, and Yeah, we come back in this challenge and make the greatest comeback of all time from needing 8% profit to win or go home and having to go like 13%. So, could we say it happens? But yeah, that's what we do. So, catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.